start with chapter number 5, that is creating table and hyperlinks in HTML. So I will tell you about different tables in HTML. So you have learned about inserting lists and images in the web page in the previous chapter. Now we are going to study about creating tables and hyperlinks. कि हम कैसे tables और hyperlinks create कर सकते हैं. Tables helps us to organize data in structured manner in a web page, where जो hyperlinks होते हैं, they enable us to connect different web pages. We cannot think about interconnection between different web pages without hyperlinks. So this is a HTML hyperlink. Now, what is table in HTML? A table allows the user to present data in a row and column format. जो table है वो help करता है organize information on the web page. The table tags form the structure of the table. Right? These are the different table tags. TR and TR tags, TD and TD tags. ये different table tags हैं. Now, the table and the table tags, they are used to start and end the table in HTML. TR and TR tells about the number of rows in HTML, and they are used to specify cell or table data within a table. The code below uses the table tags and display table without border. Like we have table TRD, TD capital, TR, TD उत्तर प्रदेश. It's a table. देखो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे आपने देखा स्टेट उत्तर प्रदेश उत्तराखंड कैपिटल लखनऊ एंड देहरादून. So if you want to specify the border for a table, you have to use the border attribute. आपको border attribute का भी use करना पड़ेगा. देखो यहाँ पे simple है. अब हमें border attribute का use करना है. So to add the heading, you need to use caption tag. Now reading can also to specify using TR and TH tag. The given code uses these tags. So we can say that the table border 6 caption list of state caption कर दिया, then TR TH state आप देख सकते हैं. So like this you can see the border. Now we will learn about some more attributes that enhance the table. भाई आपके table के look को enhance करना है तो हम कुछ और table का भी use करते हैं. Now attributes on table tag. Some attributes like cell spacing, width and other, they are discussed along with their examples, right? Now these are the different attributes in their description. First is your border. So border attribute ये specify करता है thickness. आपकी border की thickness को specify करता है, right? The stable borders equals to 4. Then we have border color, जो आपकी color बताता है आप कौन सा color choose करना चाहते हो. Then BG color, जो आपके background के color को बताता है. Then we have background, जो specify करता है URL of an image file which is to be displayed in the background. जो image file आप background में display करना चाहते हैं. Then width height, क्या width होनी चाहिए, जैसे 100%, height होनी चाहिए 50. So then we have cell spacing which is the space between two adjacent cell in a table. ये जो value होती है इसको हम pixel में measure करते हैं. Then we have cell padding. Now the given HTML code use different attributes. आप देख सकते हैं table border 4 है आपका, red border आप देख रहे हैं with 100% है. Then जो background color है वो brown है, with 100 है और cell spacing 4 है. तो आप ऐसे tag बना सकते हो TR TD उत्तराखंड, TD TD देहरादून, ऐसे आप क्या बना सकते हो, tag बना सकते हो. Now we have attributes of TR, TD and TH tag. So we can say that align, that is attributes that tell about horizontal alignment of the text. This set values can be left, right or center, right? This TR align is equals to center. Then we have BG color, background color of row or data cell. जो आपका blue है. Then row span की अगर हम बात करें, it is used to specify number of rows or data cell should span. This is TD or the TH tag. We can say that. Then we have call span. So this attribute tells about the number of column and data cells should span, और इसका हम use करते हैं like with TD or TH tag. Then we have the given codes uses the above mentioned attributes. So we can say that these attributes like we have TR color, आप देख सकते हैं pink है, ठीक है. और then we have TH means state, states को आप देख सकते हैं. Then BG color आपका brown है, मध्य प्रदेश. Then we have light brown, भोपाल में आप देख सकते हैं. Then we have your green in Hyderabad and blue in Telangana. So like this you can use the different color. Then we can row span and call span attributes जो आपके TD tag के होते हैं. So the table border with cell padding 2, caption. Then we have reason wise sale report and reason wise sale report caption TR. Then TH reason TH call span 3. Then TH state BG color we can say east. Then unit sold Mumbai. ऐसे ही आप क्या कर सकते हो, attributes बना सकते हो. And then you can see this अब reason states आपका यहाँ पे show जाता है. Then we have hyperlinks in HTML. When you surf the internet, you must have some come across many images or text things. For that, to open the different web pages, they are known as hyperlinks and they are connected to the web page with each others over a World Wide Web. ये आपके www World Wide Web से connected है. Now we have anchor A tag. So for that, to create a hyperlink in web page, we use anchor A tag. It is a container tag. If you encode any text or image in a A tag, it will be displayed as hyperlink. Attributes to a tag as given below. So we can say that href attribute, it is used to indicate destination of the link. Then we have name. ये आपके section बताता है on the same web page. It also indicates the name of the section in the web page. Then we have linking in HTML. Let's study about the linking. We have two methods, external linking and internal linking. So first is external linking. So for that, when you connect two different web pages, it is known as external linking. And when we click on hyperlink, we see it has opened a new web page to which the hyperlink is linked in the web browser. So pages within the page directory of any other page over the internet, they can be linked and some example are given below. You can see here linking web page is same directory. Now linking web page over the directory. First HTML link to second HTML, then your to our Yahoo web page. This is the given code. You can see over here like href second HTML, click to open second. Like this your web page will be open. Now internal linking. So let's study about the internal linking. Linking various sections of the same web page is known as internal linking. It is used when the web page is very long. It helps the users by quickly displaying the description section of the web page. So this saves the user time and he quickly views the information which he is looking for. कि वो किस information के लिए look कर रहा. So go to the top of the web page, linking in the web page. So to link the section, use name attribute of the A tag to give the name of the section to be linked. Then to refer the name section, use the hef attribute preceded by this symbol. Now we can say that the combination of text, graphic, art, sound and animation is called multimedia कहते हैं, which is delivered to the users means by a computer and electronic. To make an effective multimedia presentation, information should be presented in an entertaining and informative manner. So this is what makes multimedia very important tool in a variety of area like business, home entertainment, communication, education and advertising. Then we have email linking. So we can say that you can link a text to an email address. To do this, you need to use mail to keyword before the email address. That is A tag. So like this, you can use it. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now we will start with the exercise. I will tell you about the exercise of this chapter. Now first is take the correct option. So now which among the following is an A tag? It is a cell padding. Then which tag adds column in a table? Column कैसे कौन add करता है? That is your TD. The technique that involves linking various sections of the web page, that is internal linking. The tag which is used to create hyperlink in the web page. Hyperlink जो create करता है. Like this. Now next is fill in the blanks. The dash are used to connect one page to another. जो एक पेज से दूसरे पेज को कनेक्ट करता है वो क्या होता है आपका hyperlink. Dash is an attribute of the A tag. कौन सा attribute होता है आपका? href. Then is the dash and dash tags mark the beginning and the end of the start and tags marks the beginning and end of the table. To insert a table heading, dash tag is used. अगर आपको टेबल हेडिंग को इंसर्ट करना है तो आप कौन सा टैग का यूज करते हो? th. If you want to insert a row in a table, dash tag inserts row in a table. That is your tr. The combination of text, graphics, art, sound and animation is known as multimedia. Answer is multimedia only. It is written over there. So then we have true false. Rows span specified number of rows which data cell should spread. It's true. Hyperlinks cannot link text to an email. False. When we connect two different web pages, it is known as interlinking. It's true. Table tag is used to insert the table in HTML. It's true. HTML, it is used to create web pages. It's true. Then href is a attribute of table tag. It is false. Next is your answer the following questions. So first is which tag are used to define basic structure of the table. आपको tag का नाम बताना. Then what is hyperlink? You have to give different types of hyperlinks. What is the use of table tag? You have to differentiate between row span and col span. And then what is cell spacing and cell packing. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.